Is that today?
Yeah.
No.
Don't fucking punch me.
I thought, is it really today?
Yeah.
Damn, man.
Yeah,
The-
you're a dick.
Wait, are you sure
Yes.
it's today?
This one, motherfucker.
This seems like there's some kind of
October 15th, 2022.
fuck.
Yeah, like I said, he's a dick.
All right, well, where do you want to go to lunch? Alex, did you know it was Sweetest Day?
Today?
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
Oh, you're gonna try to blame him for leaving you out here?
Yeah, like what the are you doing?
Alex is like, nice try. No.
Yeah, you need to step up your po game, dude. Yeah, you need to step up your po, dude. All right, we're just gonna go through and clean up this cylinder head. It probably would have been wise to spread some grease on these surfaces, just a thin layer, and avoid all this scraping. I did it on some things and other things I did not, so we'll just scrape all this off of here and we'll go over it with a clean Scotch-Brite, get the last little bit of residual paint off of this surface. Blow it all off with the air hose. But you definitely don't want paint where the gaskets are gonna go. We did pretty good on the top side. So let's see here if we can get a lot of this off and save a bunch of Scotch-Brite work. I know some of the trash is falling into the head. We'll blow it all out and rinse it off. Okay. So now we'll hit it with some clean Scotch-Brite. We got some more scraping to do. Definitely. Definitely some more scraping. It's pretty heavy paint in a few spots here. We're gonna chase all these holes as well. The last thing we want with this is a sealing issue on the intake. So definitely would have been advantageous to grease this. Okay, so we still got some, not that it'll matter, way up here. Okay. And we'll go around this surface, scrub it off of the valve cover side. I made these homemade thread chasers. Oh, that's the wrong size. That looks like the wrong size too. So I didn't make a size for this? Let's see. Oh, okay, that is the right size. So these ones seem okay. Run this in and out, and then whatever we pick up in the grooves of it there, we'll just brush out. Clean the paint and stuff out of these holes. We can get her started. the angle. I was at the wrong angle. I think we'll get a socket in the electric impact to run these in and out. So we'll just run that in and out. Collected a bunch of dirt and carbon and stuff on it. We'll brush it off with a wire brush. Get all the chunks out of it. Yeah, look at that's, yeah, it's all collecting in the grooves that we cut in it with the grinder there. So we're gonna grab her in here. Give her a spin. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. I mean, it's iron. I still don't want to drop it on the floor though. That wouldn't be great. Okay, so we need to do all these exhaust ones, but first I've got to scrape all the paint off of these. All right, so what we're working on here is this cylinder head for the 350. I noticed a bunch of oil on the intake valves, so we're gonna take these valves out, replace the intake valve seal. So I got a rag underneath the valves stuffed in there, and we're just gonna take a socket. There's the keepers. Set those ones over there. We'll set this valve spring over there. Bunch of crumbs. All right, now we'll knock this one off of here. Hopefully. Sometimes if you don't get the rag underneath the valve, it won't come. Okay, so those are off. So let's pry this valve seal off of here carefully. There we go. There's our valve seal. Let's pull this exhaust valve seal off. All right, we're gonna do something wacky here. So she's really stuck up there. Okay, so yeah, we got quite a bit of carbon on it. I'm gonna clean that off, and we'll just gently lap them. So the exhaust isn't too bad, but yeah, I'll go ahead and clean all that off the best I can. We'll put a little compound on them. We'll lap them lightly. All right, we got the valve cleaned up pretty good. We got a bunch of the carbon and stuff off it. We're gonna put just a little bit of lapping compound on it here, and then we'll lap it in gently. I'm not gonna go all crazy. I know a lot of people aren't a fan of me doing this. Okay. Now we'll just take this. So I'm not pushing in on it at all. I'm just trying to gently spin the valve here. Sometimes it sticks like that. Okay, and that's what we got. She's cleaned up. We'll put a little oil on it. I almost forgot. A little bit of oil. And we'll slide this together. There we go. I'll do the same with the exhaust, and then we'll put the springs back on. All right, we got the new valve seals in. So we got our spring compressor on here. I'm gonna compress the spring a little ways. And we'll get some keepers in here. So we'll put a little bit of grease on them. Hold them in place a little easier. Alright, we're not quite there yet. That's the way it goes. End of the day, worn out. So we'll see. Okay. So both keepers are in their home. We're gonna back off the spring compressor. There goes part of our exhaust valve spring. Okay. So there we go. That's it. Now, one thing I will say is it would have been really smart to do this before I painted these cylinder heads. Now I'm gonna have to touch them up again, wipe some of the grease off. So, yep, that's it. I'll get the exhaust valve done, and tomorrow we'll get started. Ooh, that thing's dirty. We'll get started reassembling the motor here.